There is a land hidden in the heart of South Asia where mornings begin with golden sunlight dancing on rivers and the earth breathes in endless shades of green. This is Bangladesh, a country shaped by nature, defined by resilience, and filled with stories waiting to be told. Here, beauty is not loud, it is quiet, deep, and unforgettable. Bangladesh is known as the land of rivers, a place where water flows like lifelines across the land. With more than 700 rivers weaving through its plains, these waters do more than shape geography. They shape lives. At sunrise, fishermen cast their nets into shimmering waters, not just for survival, but as part of a tradition passed down for generations. Children laugh and play along muddy banks, while boats glide silently, carrying people, dreams, and daily hopes. In Bangladesh, rivers are not just seen, they are felt. In the southwest lies a world untouched by time, the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest on Earth, a place where land and water exist in perfect balance. Here, roots rise above the ground, and silence speaks louder than words. This is the kingdom of the Royal Bengal Tiger, a creature both feared and admired. But beyond its mystery, the Sundarbans is a symbol of nature's power and its fragile beauty. Travel to the northeast, and the landscape begins to change. The flat plains give way to rolling hills, covered in endless tea gardens of Sylhet. Each leaf is carefully picked by skilled hands, in a rhythm that has remained unchanged for decades. Mist floats gently over the hills in the early morning, creating a dreamlike world where time seems to pause. Here, life slows down, and peace becomes a way of living. And then, there is the sea, Cox's Bazar, the longest natural sea beach in the world. Stretching over 120 kilometers, this coastline feels endless. Waves crash softly against golden sands, while the sky transforms into shades of orange and red at sunset. Standing here, you don't just see the ocean, you feel its vastness, its freedom, its calm. But the true soul of Bangladesh lives in its villages, away from the shoom of cities. Life unfolds in simplicity. Farmers walk through green rice fields under the open sky, working with patience, guided by seasons and nature. Narrow canals carry small wooden boats, and every ghur tells a story of family, tradition, and belonging. Here, happiness is not measured in wealth, but in moments. Bangladesh is a land rich in culture, a place where tradition and celebration go hand in hand. Festivals like Pohela Boishakh bring color to every street as people come together to welcome new beginnings. Music fills the air, dances tell stories, and art reflects the spirit of a proud nation. This is a culture built on history, strengthened by unity, and carried forward with pride. Yet beyond all its landscapes and traditions, the greatest treasure of Bangladesh is its people, warm smiles, kind hearts, and unbreakable resilience. In every village, every town, every corner, you will find hospitality that feels genuine and pure. A stranger is never just a stranger here, but a guest, welcomed with open arms. Bangladesh is more than a destination. It is an experience, a place where nature, culture, and humanity come together to create something truly special. So come, explore its beauty, feel its warmth, and discover a story you will never forget.